Welcome back. Now, it's possible that something can always happen to the autoresponder company or email service provider that you're using. And what you want to do is to make sure that your contacts are being backed up and saved on a regular basis, whatever regular means for your business model. And inside of MailChimp, there is a process for that. What you're going to do is you're going to click View Contacts. What you're then going to do is click Export Audience. What you'll then see in your audience exports area is you're going to be able to export the individuals from your audience into a CSV file. And when you want to import this list of individuals into a new autoresponder, what you can do is you can go to the section, such as one like in Autoresponder Company Aweber. You'll click Import Multiple Contacts, and you'll then upload your CSV file to this area. And what you'll do inside of your autoresponder is to map the individual columns or fields. And what you'll need to do is to go through a series of questions to determine how you acquire the individuals who are going to be on the email marketing list that you're looking to import to the new autoresponder. So basically, if you have a backup and you need to move it to another autoresponder, you're going to take the backup that you download from your current autoresponder and move it into the new one that you're going to be using if something occurs that causes this to happen. Another way you can back up subscribers is to use a more automated process using third-party cloud-based connector Zapier, so that when there is a new subscriber within your autoresponder, you can have that individual automatically stored in a second autoresponder if you wanted to maintain two autoresponders at the same time. The benefit would be that you wouldn't have to import an individual using a CSV file and to go through the question and answer process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.